What is up, everybody? Oh man, morning one of the train, and let me tell you, part of being on Amtrak is they're late. They're late a lot, so you kind of got to prepare for it. But we were supposed to get on the train last night around 10. We didn't get on the train until almost midnight, so they were hauling booty to get back on time, and we're in the last train room, in the very last cart. So this sucker, like a whip, just gets to going. There's some times where if I didn't know better, I was like, we're gone, we're flipping over. But it was fun. We upgraded the big room, so I got the bigger bed. I'll show you guys a tour of the room after lunch and we get things more situated. But yeah, it's been good so far. Lindsay's taking a shower right now. We're in North Dakota. It's very flat here, and I'll try to get some footage, but honestly, there's not that much to record, so night one in the books, and day one has just begun. Hopefully it keeps getting awesome.